Alright, welcome back. Today we're doing HTML entities. What is a HTML entity? There are certain reserved characters in HTML that must be replaced with entities. One of these is a greater than or a less than tag. If we put this here and reload, it will show up, but that is not correct HTML, and neither is this, and it might break your site. How do we show greater and less than symbols if we want to show them rather than doing this? Because this can cause great confusion. We have to use the entity. So less than actually equals and LT. Less than. That's how you remember it. LT, and greater than equals and GT for greater than. Still gets confusing actually. So put LT equals LT and GT equals, well, that'll be confusing. GT equals GT, and that is now correct HTML. Other character entities. What else do we have? There's actually a bunch of reserved ones. Another very common one is a non-breaking space. Usually if I have a word, I'll just use my favorite p tag, and then if I put a bunch of spaces in here, and then usually again, how will that display? One space. What if we wanted to put heaps of spaces in here? How would we do that? It's a mystery. No, it's not. We have to use a non-breaking space, which is and nbsp : non-breaking space. I don't know what that does. We're using this one today. So we can actually, it will do one space and then it will ignore the rest of the spaces unless we put nbsps in. This is a very bad way of padding things, but I have seen it done that way before. Usually and nbsps and then usually. All right, another common one. I was just thinking, did I spell usually wrong? I probably did. Let me Google it. Oh, how embarrassing I did. I spelled usually wrong. It's actually USUALLY. Well, this is not a spelling class. This is a HTML class. No, it's not. It's just a video. Calm down. Right. Other useful entities are ampersand. One of these. Whoa. That did something weird. Where is my ampersand gone? Ampersand. There. If you want an ampersand or an and, you can use and amp. That will show an ampersand. Amp equals amp. BR for break. Double quotation mark. We can do, because you can't use a quote, even though sometimes it shows up like that. Not valid HTML. So sometimes that will break things. So we should be using, instead of quote, we should use and QUOT equals quote BR. And what else? There's a single quotation mark, a pause, and then there is a cent and cent. This is kind of the money stuff. BR. We have cents. I don't know if we use that on a web page very often. A cent. You could use pound as well. As pound and yen and euro. And another quite popular one is copyright, and copy for copyright. That gives you a nice little copyright symbol. And the final one for the day is registered trademark. I don't think I'll be using that very often. BR and reg. That's the reg mark. So we have C and R. Let's zoom in. R. And that is HTML character entities. Coffeed up, and that is it. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.